Hello my friends, it's Tùng Phan from the IELTS Workshop, teacher of the senior course. Now I hope you all are faring well, under the slightly hot weather in Hanoi during these summery months. To cool you right off, today I'm coming at you with another edition of the exam room. Let's get to work.
Hello and welcome to the IELTS examination. Let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you often listen to one type of music?
No, not really. I have a deep appreciation for all genres of music. I enjoy exploring different styles and discovering new artists and songs. I believe that being open to different kinds of music enriches my musical knowledge and inspires my own creativity. Therefore, I try not to limit myself to just one specific type of music and strive to embrace the diversity and beauty that music has to offer.
When do you usually listen to music?
Well, I'm an amateur musician myself, so I often listen to music while practicing my own musical instrument to gain inspiration and also learn from accomplished musicians. Music also accompanies me during leisure activities, such as exercising, relaxing, or commuting, as it enhances my mood and helps me unwind.
Do you prefer listening to music alone or with other people?
Listening to music in solitude seems to be a little bit more rewarding than with others, to my mind. When I listen to music alone, I can fully immerse myself in the lyrics, the melodies, and emotions conveyed by the music. It allows me to have a personal and introspective experience where I can connect deeply with the music and reflect on its artistic qualities.
Next, I'm going to give you a topic that I want you to say from 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think of what you're gonna say. And your topic is, describe a game you played in your childhood.
As a nipper in Vietnam, I, together with my friends, engage in a variety of recreational games. Among them, the best activity that I participated in my childhood is probably cá sấu lên bờ, which can be loosely translated into crocodile walking on land. I am fully aware that it sounds really silly, but it's uber exciting. You can think of it as a variation of tag. Cá sấu lên bờ is a traditional outdoor game that is quite popular among children in my country. It is typically played in a spacious area, such as a park or playground, which we had plenty of in the past. I remember playing cá sấu lên bờ usually during weekends or school holidays when I had more free time. It was a delightful game that brought together my friends and me, creating a sense of excitement and camaraderie. We would gather in a chosen location and one person would be designated as the crocodile. The other players would stand on one side. The objective was very simple: for the crocodile to catch the players before they could reach the other side of the playing area. The game would begin with a shout of cá sấu lên bờ, and the players would start running towards the opposite side, while the crocodile chased after them. The crocodile had to tag the players before they reached safety on the other side. If a player was tagged, they would join the crocodile's team, and the game would continue until all players were caught or reached the shore, that is, the opposite side.
What are the most popular activities for young people to do in their free time nowadays?
From my viewpoint, in today's digital age, young people engage in a wide range of activities during their spare time. Some of the most popular activities include socializing on social media platforms, streaming or watching videos online, pursuing hobbies such as photography, painting, or playing musical instruments, to name but a few. Additionally, activities related to self-improvement, such as reading, learning new skills through online courses, and participating in volunteer work are also gaining popularity among the youth.
What are the differences between what young people do during their free time nowadays compared to the past?
Compared to the past, there are notable differences in how young people spend their spare time today. One significant difference is the prevalence of digital technologies and the internet, which has transformed leisure activities. Young people now have easy access to a vast array of online content, entertainment platforms, and social networking sites, which were not available in the past, obviously. That has led to a shift towards screen-based activities, such as online gaming, social media interaction, and content consumption.
Do you think that schools should have breaks between lessons?
I'm firmly convinced that breaks between lessons are essential for students' well-being and overall learning experience. Breaks provide students with valuable opportunities to rest, rejuvenate, and recharge both physically and mentally. They allow students to relax, socialize with peers, engage in physical activities, or pursue their own personal interests. They can enhance students' concentration and productivity as they provide time for relaxation and alleviate potential feeling of fatigue or monotony. However, duration and frequency of breaks should be balanced to ensure a productive learning environment, with sufficient time allocated for both academic instruction and rejuvenation. So that's it for today's episode of The Exam Room. I hope you find this video useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care!